Congratulations on getting started on your path to better hearing. Let's get ready for your appointment. In the box we will see the following items: instruction card, user guide and manual, domes and receivers, appointment label, hearing aids and charger. The provider will cover everything in detail with you. For now we will just focus on charging the hearing aids. Grab the hearing aids and charging cable. To begin, grab the charging cable and connect it to the power supply as seen. Ensure the hearing aids are placed correctly in the charger. The left hearing aid with the blue receiver should be on the left charging slot. Connect the charging cable to the charger. A full charge should take about 4 hours, a 30-minute charge can provide up to 6 hours of usage. After devices are fully charged, remember to place them back in the box as seen and bring everything with you to the appointment. Also, please remember to wait until you see the provider before fully testing the devices. The provider will fit the hearing aids to your personal needs. Once again, congratulations. We look forward to seeing you at your appointment.